Hi, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. We are solving problems as part of trigonometric equations. This is a problem we have. Let's try to solve it together. If alpha, beta are solutions of a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, where a comma b comma c belongs to R, and if a square plus b square equal to greater than 0 and cos alpha is not equal to cos beta, sin alpha is not equal to sin beta, then show that cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 2ac by a square plus b square, and also cos alpha into cos beta equal to c square minus b square by a square plus b square. See, now if alpha beta are solutions of this equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, we have been asked to prove something in cos. That means I have to convert this equation in terms of cos theta. Then I can say that cos theta, cos alpha, cos beta will be the solutions of the equation which is in the form of quadratic equation in cos theta. What I mean that is, let me first try to convert this whole equation into cos theta in the form of a cos square theta plus b cos theta plus c. Then I can say cos alpha cos beta are solutions of that. Then we can apply quadratic equations and we can say sum of the roots equal to minus b by a, product of the roots equal to c by a, which should give us the required solution. So let's go ahead. First I will take that equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. Now I have to convert this equation into cos theta. So what I will do, I will take a cos theta to the right side and I will leave on the left side b sin theta, so that when I square I will get sin square theta, which I can convert into cos square theta. That way I can get the equation in cos. So what I am trying to do now is b sin theta equal to c minus of a cos theta. Why we are doing that? Because when I square I will have 2ac cos theta and I will have sin square theta, which I will convert into cos. Then I will have everything in cos. If I take b sin theta that side, when I square it I will have 2bc sin theta, which is very difficult to convert into cos. So I have to go this way. Now I square it, squaring on both sides, I will have b square sin square theta equal to c minus a cos theta whole square. This is nothing but b square into, now we want the equation in cos, so I will convert into cos, b square into 1 minus cos square theta equal to, this is of the form a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, that is a square cos square theta, a minus b whole square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now if I simplify this and convert this in the form of a cos square theta plus b cos square theta, b cos theta plus c format, I will bring everything on the left hand side to the right side. So I will have a square plus b square into cos square theta. I hope you are okay with that. And I will have minus 2ac cos theta. Then I have c square, I have b square, which will become negative, so I will have c square minus b square. Now this is of the form a cos square theta plus b cos theta plus c equal to 0. Then I know if alpha beta are solutions of this equation, cos alpha cos beta will be solutions of this equation, because we have converted into cos theta. Now cos alpha plus cos beta, nothing but the sum of the roots of this equation is nothing but minus of b by a, that is minus of minus 2ac by a is a square plus b square, that is 2ac by a square plus b square. Similarly, the product of the roots are cos alpha into cos beta equal to c by a, that is nothing but c square minus b square by a square plus b square. That's what we have to prove. Let's have a look at it. We have to prove cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 2ac by a square plus b square, and cos alpha into cos beta equal to c square minus b square by a square plus b square. Now I want you to do something. Take the same equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c and try to prove that sin alpha plus sin beta equal to 2bc by a square plus b square, and also sin alpha into sin beta is equal to c square minus b square by a square plus b square. So what you will do? You will convert this equation in terms of a sin square theta plus b sin theta plus c format. Then you will know that if alpha beta are solutions of this, sin alpha sin beta will be solutions of the equation which is converted into sin. How will you do that? You will say a cos theta equal to c minus b sin theta. Then you square on both sides, convert cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. You will get the equation in sines. So I hope you will be able to do that on your own, by which you will get sin alpha plus sin beta equal to 2bc by a square plus b square, and sin alpha into sin beta equal to c square minus a square, this is a square, c square minus a square by a square plus b square. Okay. So we'll close with trigonometric equations with this particular session. We'll move to next topic, that is very interesting, inverse trigonometric equations. Okay. So see you in the next video. Thanks for visiting. Happy New Year. All the best to you. Thanks. Bye.